It started quietly. No announcements, no headlines, just a growing number of actors noticing something strange. Their faces were showing up in places they'd never been. Their voices saying words they never spoke. Their performances recreated by a machine. No contracts, no payment, no credit. Just their identity, taken, repurposed, and monetized. This isn't a future scenario. This is happening right now. According to a CBS News investigation, actors are already being replaced in foreign commercials by AI-generated versions of themselves. One actor found a version of himself in a European ad, created without his permission, using AI trained on his likeness. It's not a deepfake, it's something worse. Because the actor didn't license his image, the studio didn't pay for usage rights, they just used AI tools to recreate him. And legally, there's not much he can do. This is what the Hollywood strikes were trying to warn us about. For months, SAG-AFTRA and the WGA stood on picket lines demanding protections from synthetic actors. AI-generated replicas that look and sound real, but don't require pay, credit, or union rules. Studios have already started scanning background actors once, then using their bodies in multiple projects indefinitely. They claim it's efficient. But what it really is erasure. See, AI doesn't create, it reconstructs. It feeds on real human work, facial expressions, emotional tones, trained performances, and spits back an imitation. The illusion is good, convincing even, but it's not acting. Because acting is more than just appearance and sound, it's presence, vulnerability, timing, soul. And that can't be replicated by code. But the industry doesn't care, because AI is cheap, predictable, controllable. It doesn't take bathroom breaks, doesn't demand royalties, doesn't get tired, sick, or emotional. It just performs exactly how the studio wants. And for some executives, that's perfect. But here's where it gets even darker. There are no regulations, no laws stopping this. In many places, your face and voice aren't protected by copyright. If an AI generates a new version of you with just enough tweaks to be considered transformative, they can use it, sell it, profit off it. And there's nothing you can do. Your humanity becomes someone else's data set. So why does this matter to anyone who isn't an actor? Because this isn't just about Hollywood. It's about musicians, writers, painters, teachers, speakers, influencers, anyone who creates, anyone who performs. If they can replace one actor, they can replace all of us. And once they don't need the artist, they won't use the artist. Not because the AI is better, but because it's cheaper. The death of the actor isn't just about work. It's about what we value. Do we care about real performance? Or are we okay with a world full of deep-fake creativity? Do we want art that reflects truth or just a convincing simulation? Because soon, we might not be able to tell the difference. Let me know what you think in the comments. Should AI be allowed to recreate performers without consent? Or are we crossing a line we can't come back from? And if you want more deep dives into AI, technology, and the future of creativity, make sure to like this video and subscribe. Stay aware, stay in control, and always stay perceptive.